All right, this is Module 3, Lesson 17. I'm going to help you with these homework problems. I'm going to get you started, and then I'm going to ask you to finish them on your own. Remember, you must finish them in order to get credit in class. All right, so Michael is 17 years older than John. In 4 years, their sum of their ages will be 49. Find Michael's present age. In class, I actually forgot to tell you that I wanted you to cross this off. It should not say in 4 years. So let's just talk about their present age. So there are two things we don't know. We don't know Michael. We don't know John. So these are going to be our two let statements. It says that Michael is 17 years older than John. Well, how old is John? We don't know that, so we're going to call him X. If Michael is 17 years older than that, that means he's 17 plus the X. We also can write that as X plus 17. So here are our two let statements. We know the sum of their ages is 49, so when we add that up, we will get 49. So let's write an equation. We know that Michael plus John will be equal to the sum that they give us. Michael's is X plus 17. John's is X, and the sum is 49. So go ahead and finish solving that equation. Once you finish solving, don't forget to go back and actually find their ages, actually answer the question. All right, let's look at number 2. Caitlin went to the store to buy school clothes. She had a store credit from a previous return in the amount of $39.58, and she bought 4 of the same style shirt. So it's a total of $52.22 after the store credit was taken off of her total. What is the price of each shirt that she buys? Notice that there's only one unknown here. So this is the price of the shirt. So we're going to represent that by saying X, one unknown, one let statement. So let's think about this. She bought 4 shirts. So how do you figure out the total amount for shirts? You would multiply by 4. So it's 4X. Now she has a return, and that comes off of her payment. So we're going to subtract the return. That's equal to what she spent, which was $52.22. Now go ahead and solve that, and then when you're done, make sure you go back and actually find the cost of the shirt. All right, number 3. A young boy is growing at a rate of 3.5 centimeters per month, currently 9 centimeters tall. At this rate, in how many months will the boy grow to be 132 inches? So one unknown. So X is going to be the number of months. This is very similar to what we did the other day. Okay, you have a number that is changing, a number that's consistent, and then a total. So the number that changes is the 3.5 centimeters per month. So that would be represented by 3.5x. This number does not change. It's just 90 centimeters. So we're going to add the 90 centimeters, and that's going to be how tall he is right now, which is 132. That's our total. So go ahead and solve that, and when you're done, make sure you go back and find the number of months. All right, number 4. We are asked to find the number. Okay, so we're going to say that X is the number. Only one unknown. Now let's read the question. It says the sum, so that means we're going to add all of these things together. We're going to add the number, 1/6 of that number. 1/6 of that number, remember, of means to multiply, so 1/6 times X. 2.5 of that number, so multiply again, 2.5 times that number, and 7 is, remember in math, means equals 12.5. So just by reading that first sentence, you can see that I've already set up my equation. I'm adding X, 1/6 X, 2.5 X, and 7, and I'm going to have a total of 2.5. Go ahead and finish that problem, and we will go over this in class tomorrow. Hopefully that helps you. just remember to finish all of these questions.